Hello, dear children. Today I will tell you about a very important concept in computer science, namely queues. A queue is a way in which things line up one after another, waiting for their turn. It works on the principle of first come, first served, just like waiting in line for candy. In computer science, queues are used for orderly processing of various tasks. Everything will be explained as we see what our little animals are up to. At the playground, the kitten and the ladybug built a small computer obstacle course out of sticks and stones. The ladybug was convinced that a queue works like a race. Whoever is faster goes first. The kitten laughed and said that if that were true, the computer would always choose the fastest tasks, and the others would never get a turn. In the end, they agreed that it is not about speed, but about who stood in line first. The kitten was right. By the big tree, the sparrow and the guinea pig recalled a time when their computer got stuck because the sparrow accidentally put too many tasks in at once. The guinea pig explained that a well programmed queue allows for calm and orderly processing of tasks one by one. The sparrow added that now his algorithms always use a queue to keep things from getting mixed up. It was a very wise conversation. On the flower meadow, the frog and the puppy were playing. I decided to check their knowledge and ask them what they know about queues. The frog said that a queue is a way of arranging tasks where the first one in is the first one out, like children waiting for the slide. The puppy added that, in his work as a programmer, he often uses queues to keep his programs running smoothly and without confusion. I praised them for their good answers. A queue is a way of processing tasks in the order they appear. Let us summarize, children, what we learned today. A queue in computer science is a way of arranging tasks or data in the order they appear. Tasks are processed one by one, which means first in, first out. Thanks to queues, computers work efficiently and without confusion. I bid you farewell, and I will see you in the next episode.